Hello guys, you who joined with the product review are welcome to the Open Box YouTube channel. First of all, I want to remind you about my blogger site. You can read many review articles by going to the link in the description box. As in the thumbnail, today's video is about Dr. Rashel's face serum. So, let's go to the video. Vitamin C is something that many people use to brighten the skin and reduce dark spots on the face. Among these, a product with many benefits is Dr. Rashel's Vitamin C Face Serum. This face serum, which uses hyaluronic acid as the main ingredient, is a globally recognized product. First of all, it is necessary to mention that because this product has won a world-renowned name, fake products can be seen in the market. So, first I will explain to you how to identify the original Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Serum. The parent company of this product is located in China. So, when you buy the product, check if it is made in China. In addition, you can scan the barcode and QR code to find the original product. And inside this box, you can also see a catalog that mentions about Dr. Rashel Skin Coat Pack. A fresh fragrance has also been added to this face serum, which is rich in vitamin C. So, let's see what benefits we get from using this serum. It is mentioned in this box. With our new improved formula, Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Serum is light and highly effective. It will help fade sunspots and discoloration, refine skin texture, reduce wrinkle formation, and minimize existing wrinkles. It also has a high concentrated base of pure vegan hyaluronic acid to plump skin cells and protect and restore. Contains collagen ingredient, brightens and smooths skin for a more radiant and youthful complexion. Powerful antioxidants neutralize free radicals to prevent and reverse sun damage and fade sunspots and discoloration. Since we use the serum for a little longer time, we remind you that there are preservatives in it. Like most serums, you can see a dropper in this serum also. It takes the nature of glass. We apply this serum on the face and neck with this dropper. You can put a few drops of serum on the face and neck with the help of the dropper and apply it to the skin in a circular motion with your fingertips. The most special thing is that before applying this serum, you should wash your face well and use it after using a cleansing. Safe for daily use or under makeup. If you are someone who is prone to dust and sun exposure, I recommend applying this at night. Before going to bed at night, wash your face with the face wash and cleanser, then finally apply this serum on your face as I mentioned before. Otherwise, if you are a person at home, you can apply this serum on your face and neck after cleansing both in the morning and at night. Our skin type is something to be careful about when we use face cream or something. So, it is difficult to use a serum for people who have oily skin because most serums are oil-based serums. But as someone who has used this serum and got results, I can confidently say that this Dr. Rashel Vitamin C serum is suitable for any skin type because this is really a water-based serum. You can't really expect white skin from this serum, which mainly contains aqua, glycerin and hyaluronic acid. This serum is suitable for things like brightening the skin and removing dark spots. This is actually a product made for external application only. Therefore, it is necessary to avoid smearing on the mouth and eyes. In case of accidental contact with eyes or mouth, wash with clean water. Also, keep away from small children. This is because these ointments are toxic when ingested and this bottle is glass in nature. In addition, by keeping it safe in a cool and dry place, this serum can be introduced as most suitable product to use for a long time and reach the results you expect. So, you can buy this from shopping mall, pharmacy, beauty care shop, salon and online websites. But as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, be careful to choose the original product without being deceived by fake products. Among the many serums in the market, I recommend this product to you because I have been using it for a long time and got a glow on my face. If you are looking for a serum regardless of your skin type, try Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Serum today. So, the video will be stopped for today. I hope you have a clear understanding about this product now. You can also use this and mention the result in the comment box below. Also, keep subscribing to the Open Box YouTube channel to see more product reviews like this. See you in another new video. Bye bye.